I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution, where I talk about everything crypto almost daily. Had to take a couple days off, guys. Had to get caught up on a lot of life stuff. The market's been pretty flat, so I said, hey, let's get it done near the end of the month. I'm back and I'm ready. I want to thank everybody that's been hitting that like button for me. Smash those likes. Trying to get a like spike going. 1,000 likes a video. 1,000 likes. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit that subscribe button. I'm going to bring you guys the most up-to-date news, the reality of the crypto space, if you will, a grounded approach, technical analysis as well. Jumping right into the market today, crypto. Actually, we've got a guest.
Jump right into the market.
I want to give a shout out to Sean in my trading group. Him and his daughter, or possibly daughters, have been watching the channel for a period of time, and they would like to jump right into the market too.
Jump right into the market.
Sideways with reddish undertones. Overall market cap of cryptocurrency at $279 billion. Bitcoin at 96.38. Not a whole lot going on in the market. The altcoins are bleeding. Bitcoin potentially moving sideways. This is a 6-hour Bitcoin chart. There's a lot of uncertainty in the market, and a lot of people are saying, hey, is this the top for Bitcoin? Is this, we've been in this uptrend for a period of time, and it's been a great run for these altcoins following Bitcoin. Well, now you've got a potential topping pattern, a head and shoulders that hasn't been confirmed yet. You also have the possibility of this bullish falling wedge, which is a reversal pattern. So we could work sideways, move down, and then break out higher. Again, Bitcoin has got to hold around 9,500 to make sure that this head and shoulders doesn't get confirmed. Now, I want you guys to notice this huge red volume spike. Clearly, volume gives validity to a lot of these patterns that we see. You get a big volume spike, and that says, hey, everybody in the market recognizes that this pattern has broken lower. So based on this volume spike, you have to assume that this large yellow falling wedge did break lower. And if you pull the measured move target, you're down here about 8,600, 8,680, 8,700. So that's part of it. Is there a bullish case? There is. We continue sideways and then break out to the upside. There's nothing that says, hey, we got to move to 8,600 in a day, a week, a month, right? This is valid until we basically break back into this pattern, until this breakout to the downside is invalidated. So you got this falling wedge, which is, again, bullish reversal pattern on the RSI. And so when this breaks higher, essentially you'll get a break to the upside if it plays out that way. So there's kind of a lot of conflicting ideas on the charts right now, and it's the weekend. So probably most people take the weekend, most of the bigger traders take the weekends off. So because of everything I stated, you just don't have a whole lot going on in the market. And again, we just had this pretty big drop, which turns out to be a double top at the top of this falling wedge. Again, we need to see a breakout to the upside here for the bulls. And it would be extremely bearish if we break lower. Expect 8,700 if that happens. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading this market and you want to learn how to trade like smart money does, think about it. The difference between smart money and retail is technical analysis. Banks, institutions, smart money, they trade on technicals. You can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join the group is these guys. Profitable trading setups. I posted some midterm holds, and we've been killing it. Now, the market hasn't been doing a whole lot lately, but COTI, C-O-T-I, did not get the memo, apparently, because it's up 284%. CryptoBank stated, I had a full Bitcoin on this COTI trade, COTI trade. Put a Bitcoin on this and watch your money double and triple. COS up 52%. Another one, huge gains. Buy the breakout of this level, jump to the upside. Shout out to Jackson. He stated, I exited 2 trades up about $7,000 this morning. Shout out to D-Lo. He says, the biggest mistake joining your group, Chris, was not joining a year ago. Your group is the real deal, and it is. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. If you pay with cryptocurrency for 6 months, you get a 20% discount. If you pay with crypto for the year, you get a 30% discount and an additional month for free. If you do want to pay with a card month to month, you can do so. There's a Patreon link in the description. Now, just like the title says, it's time to load up on altcoins when this happens. And it's really pretty simplistic, okay? But there's a couple options and ideas here. So if this level, so this is a total altcoin market cap chart. If you took every single altcoin and you added them together, you would get these numbers, right? Potentially, we're at about $98 billion in total altcoin market cap right now. Now, you can see we did run up to $118 billion and we retraced. So if this level gets broken, so in other words, this triangle will get broken to the upside, it's time to buy altcoins and ride them out. Now, one thing you have to consider, we're at this support level here. Okay, so we could get a bounce, we could get a little altcoin rally, potentially break out there. Okay, but however, if this doesn't hold, you know, there's some downside here. You know, over time, it's potentially possible we come back down here to $60 billion. I don't know how likely it is. This is the point of control, this red line. Okay, and there's a ton of support right there. So we could bounce at any point. I'll keep you guys up to date on this every day. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. But the key is this. The buy signal is a breakout to the upside of this massive symmetrical triangle. Buy signal, altcoin rally is coming. Big altcoin rally. You know why? Because the target essentially would be, the measured move would be up here at $210 billion. So if that happens, on average, every altcoin is going to 2x. Everybody's going to double their money based on this idea. And it works. If you go back here and you look at this altcoin rally all the way up here, look at the market cap. When Bitcoin ran up to $20,000, it was $475 billion. Huge gains during that altcoin rally. If you look, this is one where I quit my job because of this rally. Peaked out in April 2018, and still we're at $261 billion. So potentially this would be close, $210 billion market cap at that point. Find this chart, you can go to, you just Google Tradingview Total 2. That's what it's called. It's all the altcoins market cap combined and shown on this chart. Previously, this big dump on Bitcoin, I just want to talk to you guys about it. You know who's making all the money in this market? BitMEX is killing it. Bitcoin, over $100 million worth of Bitcoin longs were just liquidated on BitMEX as Bitcoin plunged 5.6% in just 5 minutes. Huge, quick sell-off. A bunch of people got stopped out. You guys know this guy? His name is Arthur Hayes. You know why he's smiling? Because he just made $100 million. You know why he's smiling here? Yeah, because he's killing it. That's who's making all the money in this market. If you are new to trading, don't start trading leverage. Don't start trading on margin with leverage immediately. Learn how to spot trade. I saw this on Twitter. 1 million Bitcoin Cash SIM hack. So SIM hack is when essentially somebody swaps your phone out for a phone that they have possession of, resets all your passwords, and gains access to your cryptocurrency. So 1 million Bitcoin Cash worth about $30 million were stolen from one single Chinese whale. He also claimed he lost 15 million in Bitcoin too. Now he's asking for help. The miners of Bitcoin Cash, he's basically asking, hey, put a stop to this. What can you do? He's offering a big reward. Obviously, if they were to roll back the blockchain, wouldn't be decentralized. So we had to, kind of see what happens with that. One idea this person stated, Josh Jones, the idea is you have one address tied to each exchange, kind of like a whitelisted address. And that's your address, period. Like if you're going to withdraw, it has to go to that address. There's no way around it. So that's an interesting idea as far as these hacks go. But again, this was more of a money gets stolen from a personal account, not the exchange hack, right? So his SIM got swapped. If you guys haven't chosen a VPN yet, don't miss this insane 85% off discount. You can trade on Binance.com. All these little altcoins where everybody's making a ton of money, you can trade those on Binance.com with PureVPN. BitMEX, Bybit as well. There's a link in the description that does support the channel. A severe Ethereum correction is expected by traders after a 125% rally. Here's why. Corrections are part of it. We know this. Dow theory says, hey, for every impulse move higher, for every run up, you'll get a 50% retrace. Okay, and even lower than that is a lot of times very possible and probable. Now, for this to happen, Bitcoin would have to pull back. If Bitcoin takes off here and starts running, ETH is not going to pull back, right? All these altcoins are going to take off again. Your USDT traded altcoins are going to run with Bitcoin. Shopify is going to join Facebook-led Libra currency group. This is kind of a big deal because everybody's jumping ship. This is a Canadian e-commerce company, Shopify. They said on Friday they're going to join Libra Association. They stated, we're going to work collectively to build a payment network that makes money easier to access and supports merchants and consumers everywhere. Remember, Vodafone, PayPal, MasterCard, they exited the association, Libra Association, recently. If Libra can piece things back together as far as this government interaction and government intervention goes, I think these companies will jump on board in a second. Can the total crypto market cap hit 10 trillion by 2023? This person's stating it's possible because of this logarithmic regression band. So this green band right here is a logarithmic regression band. It's actually a range of values to which the crypto market tends to fall back to when it's not in a bubble. The line forms a smooth curve over time when plotted against the log value scale. At the peak of the 2017 bubble burst cycle, they call it, the total crypto market cap came close to $1 trillion. Now, there's a law of diminishing returns with each crypto market cycle. So these peaks won't be as big as the previous peak going forward. However, the potential outcome of this idea would be a total cryptocurrency market cap of around $10 trillion at the peak of the next bubble. Huge. Could you even imagine? I'm just saying, life-changing money is coming, right? Let's just get halfway there. Give me the 5 trillion and we'll talk. The $100 trillion projection isn't due for another 2 halvings of Bitcoin, 2028. Listen, you got 8 years to stay in crypto. You got 8 years to completely change the way you do everything in life. Let's say money's not the most important thing in the world, but I'll tell you what it does. It gives you the freedom to do what you want, the freedom to not go to work every day, the freedom to spend time with the family that you have, the people that you care about in life. That if you wake up every single day and you say, hey, I can do anything I want to do today, not I have to do this, little things, like little tasks around your house that you don't want to do, you pay somebody else to do it. Financial freedom is coming. Don't doubt it ever. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure and subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I will see you guys tomorrow.